biggest career mistake you can make right now is waiting for artificial intelligence to matter. Because here's the truth, it already does. While millions of people still see AI as just another chatbot, another online trend, or just a toy to play with, others are quietly using it to move faster, learn faster, build businesses, and become dramatically more valuable in today's job market. And here's what most people miss. The biggest danger isn't waking up tomorrow and finding out every job is gone. The real danger is waking up one day and realizing your entire industry has changed and your skills haven't. That might sound scary, but it's also one of the greatest opportunities our generation has ever seen. Every major technological revolution creates two groups of people. One group resists it, ignores it, waits, and by the time they finally accept it, everyone else is already ahead. The other group jumps in early, learns, experiments, adapts, and creates an advantage that lasts for years. Right now, you have the chance to be in that second group. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Before factories, most things were made by hand, slow, expensive, limited. Then machines showed up, and suddenly one person could produce what used to take dozens. Jobs disappeared, new ones were created, and the people who understood the new technology became incredibly valuable. That same shift is happening again. But this time, it's not only physical labor that's changing, it's knowledge work. AI can help write, research, design, analyze data, build software, edit videos, talk to customers, and even make decisions. The Industrial Revolution multiplied human strength. AI multiplies human capability, and it's moving even faster. A factory takes years to build. An AI tool can launch today and reach millions tomorrow. That's never happened before. Suddenly, a small business can do things that used to require an entire team. And one motivated person can produce work that used to take multiple specialists. But this is where so many people get it wrong. Everyone keeps asking, will AI replace every job? That's actually the wrong question. Because a job isn't one thing. It's dozens of tiny tasks bundled together. And most of the time, AI changes tasks long before it replaces entire jobs. Think about it. Marketers aren't disappearing, but AI can help with research, campaign brainstorming, first drafts, data analysis, and reports in minutes instead of hours. Developers aren't useless now, but AI can generate code, catch bugs, write documentation, and suggest solutions, making good developers even more productive. The same goes for creators, designers, support agents, analysts. Job titles may stay, but the tasks inside them are shifting. So back to the key point. The biggest risk isn't that every job vanishes overnight. The biggest risk is that your industry evolves and you don't. And that's where the real competition starts. It's not humans versus machines. It's often one person against another person. Same talent, same experience, same rates. The only difference? One uses AI. Imagine two freelancers going after the same project. Same level of talent, but one can research faster, generate better ideas, organize smoother, deliver quicker, and serve more clients without burning out. Who do you think gets hired more? Who has more energy to improve? Who can offer more value? That's why learning AI isn't just about protecting your career. It's about amplifying your output, producing more value with the same 24 hours, and giving yourself a serious edge in today's economy. But here's something else you need to understand. Businesses don't care if you can write fancy prompts. They don't care if you've tested 50 different AI tools. And they definitely don't care if you can talk about tech for hours. What they care about is results. Can you save them time, cut costs, bring in more customers, help them create more content or improve customer service? Can you help them get more done? That's what people actually pay for. So don't sell AI. Sell the outcome AI helps you deliver. A local business probably isn't looking for an AI expert. They're looking for someone who can answer customer questions faster, automate repetitive tasks, or help them grow. A real estate agent doesn't need someone lecturing them about AI. They need someone who can write property descriptions, create follow-up emails, produce short videos, organize leads, and save them hours every single week. A content creator doesn't need another shiny app. They need someone who can turn one long YouTube video into 10 shorts, social posts, a newsletter, and a blog article. Companies don't care about tools, they care about problems. And that's where the opportunity is. Not in AI itself, but in connecting AI to real business needs. Unfortunately, that's where a lot of people will fail. They'll collect hundreds of prompts, jump from one app to another, watch endless tutorials, and never build anything useful. That's not mastery. Real mastery is understanding the problem, giving AI the right context, building a workflow you can repeat, check checking results, fixing mistakes, and turning the final outcome into something people will actually pay for. Writing prompts is just the beginning. Judgment is the real skill. Because AI can sound incredibly confident and still be completely wrong. It can produce something that looks amazing, but is full of hidden mistakes. That's why the people who succeed won't be the ones who blindly trust everything AI spits out. They'll be the ones who know when to question it, when to improve it, when to verify it, and how to blend it with real human expertise. Your knowledge isn't less valuable now. It's more valuable when you combine it with AI. A designer still needs taste. A developer still needs logic. A business owner still needs judgment. A creator still needs perspective. A teacher still needs empathy. AI can make you faster, but you're still responsible for the direction. So what should you do? Don't try to master every tool on the internet. You don't need 50 apps. You need one skill that creates one measurable result. Start with one field. Then choose one problem people already care about. Then learn one AI tool deeply, enough to build a complete workflow around it. Stop asking, what can this tool do? Start asking, what valuable result can I create with this tool? Build templates, experiment, save what works, study what doesn't, improve your process, measure how much time you're saving, then build proof. Show the problem, show the old way, show the new workflow, show the final result, show how much time or money was saved. Because proof is far more powerful than simply saying, I know AI. You don't need permission to start building experience. If you're a student, don't wait until you graduate. Start building projects now. Use AI to improve your research, learn faster, and build a portfolio that proves what you can do. If you already have a job, find one repetitive task that wastes too much time. Improve it responsibly. Document the process. Measure the results. If you're a freelancer, stop selling yourself as someone who uses AI. Instead, sell a clear outcome your clients immediately understand. And if you're looking for work, don't just send another resume. Show them you can adapt quickly, learn new tools, and solve real problems. Most importantly, stop asking, which jobs are safe from AI? Nobody can honestly answer that. Ask a better question. What problems will always matter, and how can I get better at solving them? People will always need trust, leadership, creativity, communication, empathy, responsibility, taste. When production gets easier, good judgment becomes even more valuable. And here's the exciting part. You don't have to become a machine learning engineer to benefit from this revolution. Most people who built successful careers thanks to electricity didn't invent electricity. Most people who built fortunes using the internet didn't invent the internet. They learned how to use new technology to create value. You can do the same with AI. You don't have to understand everything today. You just need enough curiosity to begin, enough discipline to keep learning, and enough courage to be a beginner again. Change is uncomfortable because it forces us to admit that the methods that got us here might not get us where we need to go next. But refusing to change won't stop the revolution. It will only stop you from benefiting from it. A few years from now, a lot of people will say AI changed the world too fast. But right now, while it's happening, it still feels optional. That's how every revolution feels until it's obvious. So start today. Pick one tool, one problem, build one useful project, then build another. Don't wait for job posts to say AI required. Don't wait for your competition to have years of experience. And don't wait until fear makes the decision for you. The AI revolution isn't something happening around you. It's something you can be part of. You can learn it, use it, build with it. Be the person who walks into a room and says, I know how to solve this problem. Faster, better, more intelligently.
That's the real opportunity. Not to become less human, but to use one of the most powerful technologies ever created to become more capable.
So when this video ends, don't click on another video. Take action. Choose one AI skill. Start learning today, because the future of work won't wait for anyone. But right now, you still have time to get ahead.